Have you ever wondered about your ancestors? Wondered? Who were they? What were their lives like? Imagine traveling back in time, millions, even billions of years. Imagine witnessing the birth of our planet. Picture a world vastly different from our own. A world where the air was thick with volcanic ash and the land was barren and lifeless. Instead of bustling cities and sprawling landscapes, imagine a planet teeming with strange and wonderful creatures. Creatures that roamed the earth long before humans ever existed. These creatures, as different as they may seem from us today, are the starting point of an incredible journey. A journey that began in the depths of ancient oceans. It's the journey of life itself, evolving from single-celled organisms to the remarkable diversity we see today. From simple bacteria to complex multicellular organisms, this is the story of evolution, a story that connects every living thing on Earth. A story that shows how all species are interconnected in the web of life. It's a story of change, adaptation, and survival. A story that continues to unfold even now. Every species has its own unique tale of how it adapted to survive in its environment. From the smallest microorganism to the largest whale, every species on Earth is a product of this epic saga, each one playing a crucial role in the balance of nature. And guess what? You're a part of it too. Your existence is a testament to the incredible journey of life, a journey that continues to evolve and thrive. The theory of evolution is a powerful idea that has shaped our understanding of life. It helps us understand the incredible diversity of life on Earth, from the vast rainforests to the deepest oceans. It explains how every species, from the tiniest insect to the towering giraffe, is related to every other, forming a complex web of life. At its heart, evolution is about change over time, a continuous process that shapes the natural world. But not just any change, it's a change driven by genetic variations and mutations. It's about how life adapts to its environment, passing on beneficial traits to future generations, ensuring survival. This process of change is driven by a simple yet elegant mechanism, natural selection, first proposed by Charles Darwin. Think of it like this. Life is a constant competition for resources where only the fittest survive. Those individuals with traits that give them an edge in this competition are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on their advantageous traits. Over time, these advantageous traits become more common in the population, leading to the evolution of new species, each uniquely adapted to their environment. The fossil record provides a glimpse into this process, showing how ancient creatures evolved into the diverse forms of life we see today. Through careful observation and study, scientists continue to uncover the mysteries of evolution, revealing the intricate dance of life on Earth. Imagine a group of beetles living in a lush green forest. Some beetles are green, blending in perfectly with the leaves. Others are brown, making them easy targets for hungry birds. Which beetles do you think are more likely to survive and pass on their genes? You guessed it. The green beetles have a survival advantage. They're less likely to be eaten, meaning they have more opportunities to reproduce and pass on their green coloration to their offspring. Over time, the population of beetles in the forest becomes dominated by green individuals. This, in a nutshell, is natural selection, the process by which organisms with traits best suited to their environment survive and reproduce more successfully. Adaptation is the key to survival in a constantly changing world. It's the process by which organisms develop traits that help them thrive in their particular environments. These adaptations can be physical, like the long neck of a giraffe, perfectly designed for reaching high branches, or they can be behavioral, like the complex songs of birds, used to attract mates and defend territories. Every species on Earth has its own unique set of adaptations, shaped by millions of years of evolution. Think of it like nature's toolbox, filled with an incredible array of tools and gadgets, each perfectly suited to a particular task. Section 5. Speciation, the birth of new species. Now let's delve into the fascinating process of speciation, the birth of new species. Imagine a population of birds living on a group of islands. Over time, the birds on each island adapt to their unique environments. Perhaps one island has an abundance of flowers, leading to the evolution of birds with long, slender beaks perfect for sipping nectar. On another island, where seeds are plentiful, birds with short, strong beaks for cracking seeds thrive. Eventually the birds on each island become so different that they can no longer interbreed. Voila! We have two distinct species, each adapted to its own island home. Section 6. The fossil record, a glimpse into the past. Fossils are like time capsules, offering us a glimpse into the distant past. They are the preserved remains or traces of ancient organisms, often found embedded in rocks. By studying fossils, scientists can piece together the history of life on Earth. Fossils provide evidence of extinct creatures, showcasing the incredible diversity of life that once existed. They also reveal the gradual changes in species over time, providing compelling support for the theory of evolution. Section 7. DNA, the language of life. Did you know that you share a common ancestor with a banana? It's true, and the proof is written in the language of life itself, DNA. DNA is the genetic blueprint of life, containing the instructions for building and operating every living organism. By comparing the DNA of different species, scientists can determine how closely related they are. The more similar their DNA, the more recent their common ancestor. This molecular evidence has revolutionized our understanding of evolution, confirming and refining our knowledge of the relationships between species. Section 8. Evolution in action from bacteria to birds. Evolution is not something that happened only in the distant past. It's happening right now, all around us. Take bacteria, for example. These tiny organisms reproduce rapidly, providing ample opportunity for mutations or changes in their DNA. Some mutations might be harmful, but others can confer resistance to antibiotics. When antibiotics are used, they kill off the susceptible bacteria, leaving behind the resistant strains. These resistant bacteria then reproduce, passing on their resistance to future generations. This is evolution in action, driven by the selective pressure of antibiotics. Section 9. The human story, our evolutionary journey. Our own species, Homo sapiens, is a product of millions of years of evolution. We share a common ancestor with chimpanzees, our closest living relatives. Over time, our lineage diverged, evolving unique traits like bipedalism, large brains, and complex language. Our evolutionary journey is a testament to the power of adaptation. From our early ancestors in Africa to our global presence today, humans have continually adapted to new environments and challenges, and this journey is far from over. Section 10. Evolution and society implications for the future. Understanding evolution is not just about looking back at the past, it's also crucial for shaping our future. Evolutionary principles are being applied in fields like medicine, agriculture, and conservation. For example, understanding how bacteria evolve resistance to antibiotics is crucial for developing new drugs and treatment strategies. By studying the adaptations of plants and animals, we can develop more sustainable agricultural practices. And by understanding the evolutionary relationships between species, we can better protect biodiversity in the face of climate change. Section 11. A universe of wonder. The vast expanse of the universe is filled with countless mysteries and wonders, each more fascinating than the last. The theory of evolution is a profound and awe-inspiring concept. It is a testament to the power of natural processes and the incredible complexity of life. It reminds us that we are all connected, part of an unbroken chain of life stretching back billions of years. From the simplest single-celled organisms to the vast diversity of species we see today, evolution has been the driving force behind it all. It encourages us to marvel at the diversity of life on Earth, and to appreciate the intricate web of relationships that binds us all. Every species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, contributing to the balance and harmony of nature. As we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, let us remember the elegant simplicity of evolution, a force that has shaped life on Earth and continues to shape our destiny. The more we learn, the more we realize how interconnected everything is. So the next time you encounter a creature, big or small, take a moment to appreciate its journey. Consider the countless adaptations and changes it has undergone to survive and thrive in its environment. Think of the countless generations that came before it, each shaped by the forces of natural selection. Each generation has faced its own challenges and opportunities, contributing to the ongoing story of life. And remember, you too are a part of this grand evolutionary story, a story that continues to unfold with every passing generation. Your actions and choices today will shape the future of life on Earth, just as the actions of past generations have shaped the present.